Welcome, my phone is a REALME 7 and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, let's hold the power key, and when you see the options, slide down to power off. When the device shuts off, you want to then hold the power key and volume down. When you see the recovery mode at the bottom, you can let go and simply wait for it to boot into recovery mode like it did right now. Simply tap on the language that you want to use and there we go. As you can see, REALME UI recovery, so there we are. And from here you can do a fairly limited amount of things. You can either reboot or power off the device, perform a reset of it through either completely removing everything from your device to format data, or wipe data, which will retain contacts, messages and photos. Then we also have updates, either online and installed from storage. And as you've seen, whatever you want to select, you simply tap on it, which I want to leave, so I'm gonna now select reboot. Okay, and this will take me back to the Android. And as you can see now, we're back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.